Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add ChatGPT on your Excel. So previously you can add ChatGPT on Excel if you have premium version of ChatGPT, but now ChatGPT is offering free integration of ChatGPT in your Excel and Microsoft. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your home on your Excel, open the Excel and go to your home on the Excel, click it, and here on the right you can see the add-ins. Click it simply. So I have already added ChatGPT on my Excel, but if you didn't, just type on the search bar ChatGPT, and here you will see the ChatGPT up here, and all you have to do is simply click the add-on, and your ChatGPT will add on your Excel. So after that, click it, and you need to log in to your ChatGPT account. If you already have your own ChatGPT, otherwise you can create and logging into that, and after that it will show this interface. All you have to do is select I understand, and here what we'll use for Excel, I'm going to select the personal. You can select anything, and I'm going to select next. I'm going to, and after that here you can see fast option. Click it, and here you can see three options: fast, standard, quickly. So those three options means if you want something to give you a fast result, you can select the fast. It will give you a quick response, not very in-depth research or analytics. And if you select a standard, it will be a balance between speed and reasoning and research. And if you give a heavy, it will create more reasoning and more complex analysis to give you a accurate answer. So for the demo purpose, I'm gonna select I'm gonna use some data, World Cup 2026 data. So I'm going to select it, and it will start working on all the data collecting from the internet. So we have to wait, because I use the first one. It will give me a fast result, but I'm telling you, depending on what you need and how much in-depth data you need for your Excel, you can select either standard, balance, according to your preference. So make sure you're selecting the right one on your right purpose. So we have to wait for it to create everything. So as you can see, it already made me a Excel sheet, but here you can see it has also made me a multiple sheet on the same Excel file, like summary, groups, team, venues, key details. You can see all the details here. Those are the groups, those are the teams, those are the venues, those are the key dates and everything. And here, so this is the first one, but if you select the standard one, the in-depth details will be more than this one. So that is a simple and basic way how you can use Excel using ChatGPT integrated to your Excel. So this is the video. I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.